Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to add adjustment layer in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So as you can see, we got Adobe Premiere project open. So from here, if you want to add adjustment layer, it's very simple. First thing first, you need to select in the project section. From here you will find the project option here or here. You can find any of these two, then open up the project dot file name. Okay, then from here you need to right click on your mouse, and then you will see new item. From the new item you'll see the adjustment layer right over here. So just go on it, and then like width and aspect ratio that your clip will be. So for my case this is like 60 fps, and the aspect ratio is like 1920 by 1080p, so I will go with that and hit OK. So as you can see, we got the adjustment layer. You can also rename this adjustment layer as your wish by right clicking on it, and here is the rename option. So let's just type in like color grading. Okay, so here is the adjustment layer. We can simply drag and drop the adjustment layer into the timeline like this. So that's how you can simply add the adjustment layer in Adobe Premiere Pro. So thank you so much guys for watching. Have a great day.